Good.
I'm getting the ambulance as well.
This is not every day.
No, definitely not.
It's very special.
It's on final. It's on final.
Yeah, yes. Okay. Okay.
Do we just follow?
Here he is. Where is he?
He's there. You see the red and orange, the orange and white pole?
Yeah.
What's your back, Jim, just in case that starts reversing?
Don't stand behind the van in case he puts reverse on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm recording everything. I don't care.
I bet them others are about well annoyed. With a warming up. You can't
Ashley will be. I'm not sure the girl will be that bothered.
I don't think Ashley will be that bothered, to be honest.
Ashley will be killing it, kicking himself.
I don't think Jay will kick off.
She will. She's going to pick the move. Ashley get bothered about anything.
He's on final.
4 pieces will just come shooting out of it. Yeah. So we'll probably give it then.
It's a quick final.
Down some back roads.
Quick final, that is.
Down some back roads in about 120 pieces.
Do you like how the last thing Matt said to us was, oh, you're going to tell us what happens? That's the last thing he said to us, what, tell the hotel?
Sorry.
It's coming in fast.
He is.
Very fast.
Very obvious.
Okay, that's weird. My phone's actually picked up where he is on the screen.
It doesn't to me.
No, it doesn't actually.
They are a little bit. He's going well too fast.
Yeah, you may have to go around. Speed brakes. 3, 2, 1. Up. No, we lost it.